Hello everyone, welcome to First Class Solutions. Today we're providing solutions to this trigonometry problem we have on the board. This is a trigonometry problem from which we are asked to get the value of x. And to get the value of x, we need to understand that this is a problem of two different triangles which is combined to give us a bigger right angle triangle. And from the bigger right angle triangle, we have this side to be the 5 centimeter while this side has 8 centimeter. It implies that this side is given as our adjacent, while this place is given as our opposite. This is opposite because it is opposite of this angle, which we will also look for as well. And to get to look for this angle, let's assume that here is theta, where the value of theta will be obtained and divided to get the individual values of this A. Because this angle label A and A are equal. And for them to be equal, whichever angle that you have or calculated from this theta will be divided into two to get that value. Now to go forward, also, we need to understand our SOHCAHTOA principle. Remember your SOHCAHTOA, where SOH, CAH, and COA is given as COH is sine which is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. CA is what? Cosine which is equals to adjacent over what? Hypotenuse. And your tangent, tan, is given as opposite over what? Adjacent. And if you look at this triangle very well, we discover that we do not have the value of our hypotenuse given. So opposite of our hypotenuse will not work. Adjacent of our hypotenuse will not work. Whereas the tangent of being opposite over adjacent will work because we have the value of our adjacent being 5 centimeter and the opposite being 8 centimeter given. So we're going to work with tangent being equal to opposite over hypotenuse. So in that case, we will say tan of this theta, tangent of the theta is equals to, what is our opposite? 8 centimeter. 8 over adjacent, 5 centimeter. 8 over 5 is the same as 1.6. Now, if tan theta equals to 8 over 5 and equals to 1.6, we'll get the tan inverse of theta to be, punch your calculator, we have tan inverse of 1.6 will give us 57.99, let's say 57.99. Then our theta is given as approximately 58 degrees. If theta is equal to 58 degrees, it implies that A will be 29 degrees and here will be 29 degrees because the theta is equal to this A times 2. And if A are equal, whichever value you have as theta, you divide by 2 to get the value of A. Mind you, we are looking for the value of x. And to get the value of x, we need to get the value of this side of this triangle. So that if the value of this side is obtained, we'll subtract the value from 8 centimeter, which is the length of the entire larger triangle. So when this value of this place is subtracted from here, we'll get the value of x. And to get that value, we need to understand that this is also another triangle. Just like I explained earlier, that this is a collection of two different triangles. And this side is equally a right angle triangle that can be extracted to mean something like this, where this is right angle and this angle is 29 degree. This side is 5 centimeter. And here, let's call here y. Here is equally our y, where we need to find its value. And to get the value of this y, we still need to apply the SOHCAHTOA principle. Here is the adjacent, here is the opposite. So adjacent over opposite is the tangent that will be applied. So we have tan 29 degrees being equals to opposite over adjacent. Here is the opposite angle, which is y over the adjacent, which is 5. Going further, we say tan 29 degrees. What is our tan 29 degrees? Use your calculator. Say tan 29 degrees. You have 0.55. So tan 29 degree is 0.55. So you have 0.55 equals to y over 5. If you cross multiply, you have 5 times 0.55 equals to y, whereas y will be equals to, you multiply out 0.55 times 5 will give you 22 points, give you 2.75. So 2.75, approximately 2.75, or let's say y is equals to approximately 2.8. So the value of y here is 2.8, 2.8 centimeter. Mind you, we are looking for the value of x. And to get the value of this x, we need to subtract the value of y that I've already gotten from 8 centimeter, which is the entire length of the base of this whole rectangle triangle. So this implies that our x will be equals to 8 centimeter minus 2.8 centimeter, minus 2.8 centimeter, and this will give us 5.2 centimeter. So the value of our x is 5.2 centimeter. Thank you very much, and thank you so much again for watching this video to the end, and also do well to share this video to your friends. God bless you.